To schedule Semrush projects, first log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Projects tab. Click on the project you want to schedule and then click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, select the Audit or Crawl Schedule option. Here you can choose from a variety of preset schedules such as daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can create a custom schedule that suits your needs. For example, if you want to crawl your website every Monday at 8 a.m., you can select the custom option and set the schedule accordingly. When scheduling a project, it is essential to consider the crawl speed and the number of pages you want to crawl. A faster crawl speed can put a heavy load on your server, while a slower crawl speed may not provide you with up-to-date data. It is also crucial to set the correct time zone to ensure that the crawl is performed at the right time. In addition to scheduling audits and crawls, you can also schedule reports to be sent to your email. This can be useful for keeping track of your website's performance over time and for sharing data with your team or clients. To schedule a report, go to the Reports tab and select the report you want to schedule. Then click on the Schedule button and choose the frequency and time you want the report to be sent. Best practices for scheduling Semrush projects include setting a realistic crawl speed, monitoring your website's performance regularly, and adjusting your schedule as needed. It is also essential to ensure that your Semrush account has sufficient credits to perform the scheduled audits and crawls. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively schedule your Semrush projects and stay on top of your website's performance and optimization. This will help you to identify and fix technical issues, improve your website's ranking, and drive more traffic to your site. Scheduling Semrush projects is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By taking the time to set up a schedule, you can save time and effort in the long run and ensure that your website is always optimized for search engines.